My name is Rachel Bixel, and I'm doing my final slides presentation on the Carhartt Company and their ad. First off, I'm going to be diving into an ad done by the Carhartt Company and determining what makes this ad great and what makes it work well. Here's the ad I decided to go with. It has "So darn good it's barely street legal," and in small print it has "the official workwear of anyone whose office chair is an abrasive, grease-stained garage floor." And then it has a mechanic in the background. It's an overall tough-looking ad. The design of this is great. They use strong alignment throughout the ad. For example, in the middle text, they have a strong left alignment. Then, they also use right alignment between the logo up top and between the website below. They also did a great job of using visual hierarchy. For example, when I first look at the ad, my eyes instantly go to the "So darn good it's barely street legal." It then goes up to the logo, takes in the website below, and then takes in the whole ad. Carhartt did a great job of using color and typography to really make their ad shine. For example, they used repetition of the yellow in the logo in the text below. What was really good with the repetition of the yellow is they used it for their website. This is a great way for people to look at their website and then later on remember Carhartt.com and go to that website. They also used a sans serif font, all caps, bold, looks tough, and it matches the overall theme of the ad. Next, they had the font size contrast. If you look at the font size between the Carhartt Wheel Workwear and then the main text, they're different. Even the text below the main text is smaller. This makes it very pleasing to look at and interesting as well. Now I'm going to be talking about what makes my ad fit in with the original ad of Carhartt. Here's the ad that I made. It says, "Work clothes never felt this comfy." And below it has the official workwear of anyone whose office space is constructing a new building. My consistencies with my ad to the original ad is I use the repetition of the yellow from the logo with the text in the ad. I also use that same yellow for the website for Carhartt. Instead of using a right and left alignment, I sticked with one strong right alignment to keep that strong alignment throughout the ad. I then also used the size contrast between the text to make it pleasing to look at. I also have maintained the sans serif font with all caps to maintain that consistency with the original ad. My ad utilizes the typography, color design, and especially the strong alignment of the original ad to help promote the Carhartt Company. Thank you.